Good morning, class. Welcome to the online classes and the related video. So, today in online class, we have a start page number 33, where I have told you about the person. Students, before doing this worksheet, you must know about the persons. What are persons? So, in English grammar, there are three types of persons involved. The first person, singular number, is your I. When we used to talk about first person, then it is I. Second person is your you. Third person is your he, she, it. And in plural number, first person is we. Second person must be you. Third person will be they. Done? So, the purpose of explaining you about the persons before this exercise was that you should know when you are doing action words, then that verbs are the only thing which is more affected or the most affected parts of speech from tenses. So, and they are the only parts of speech which used to change their forms, like V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. Now, what you have to do with the person? See, when we are doing our work in present tense and we have to frame sentence in present tense, simple present, and the subject is the first person, then what we used to write in in the blank spaces, I'm sorry, what we used to uh, write, if we have to fill that blank with the verbs, and we are talking about simple present tense and the person is first, then the verb must be in their basic form, and that is V1 form. And when we used to talk about the second person, that is you, our verb definitely must be in their first person. That means we should not add s, es or anything with the verb. We will write as the verb is in its original form. That is only with first person and second person. But if the person is your third person, that is he, she, it, then we have to add s and es with them when we have to fill the blanks with the verb in simple present tense. Now you can see in this worksheet there the words which are mentioned in the 8 box, all are your action words, and the subject in all these lines like is I. So I told you that I is the first person. Now what you have to do, you have to fill these blanks with the basic form, the original form of the verb. That means it will not add s or es with them. So keeping this mind, we are going to do this worksheet. I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. I brush my teeth, clean my face and take a bath. I eat breakfast and go for school. I board the school bus, and reach the school in time. Study there for the whole day and play during the recess. I come back at 3 p.m. and finish my homework. Then I sleep for about an hour and leave with my friends in the evening. I think there must be one mistake. We could replace it with I leave during the recess. Here you can write here in place of play, you could write here leave, because leave will be more appropriate here. So here instead of play, instead of play, just write down leave. Okay, and here in the place of leave you should write play. That could be more appropriate. Now it is okay if you write down play there also, and because the sentence, then I sleep for about an hour and dash with my friends in the evening. So that will be more appropriate if play it is written at this place, at here. So write down play. यहाँ play लिखेंगे सारे. आई थिंक थोड़ा सा ये उटपटांग लग रहा है, अलग लग रहा है. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हम लोग इसको रिप्लेस कर देंगे. जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने प्ले किया था यहाँ पे आप लीव लिख दो, है ना. स्टडी कर रहा था और उसको लीव किया, एंड लीव की जगह पे यहाँ पे आप कर दो प्ले. ठीक है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल टॉक अबाउट वर्कशीट नंबर 4. So here we have to discuss about the helping verbs or the auxiliary verbs. Now what is that? Now read the following sentences. Ria is a good dancer. There are my friends. A table has 4 legs. I have many pets. The word is, are, has, have. Tell what people or things are or what they have. These words are also verbs. Similarly, am, are, was, were, have are all verbs. Sometimes a verb is also made up of more than one word. See, before number 2, understand number 1. Here you can see the words are written in bold letters like is, are, has or have. Now what these verbs are? These verbs are your helping verbs. They are also verbs, but they are helping verbs, or they are also known as auxiliary verbs or auxiliary verbs. Okay. Now somewhere the sentence you used to see there, the words are having the sentence is having 2 verbs, like here is shining, was talking, will be visiting. Now here is will act as helping verb, and this will act as main verb. Understand? So now what you have to do, you have to do in next sentence, you have to underline the verbs. Now in first there is broke. I'm putting a dot over the verbs. Now in second number, Sanya won. Niti has about 2 verbs are there. One is helping and one is main verb. Now Anshu is again one main and one helping. Ravi is no main verbs, helping verb. Designer made. Ritu invited. Neha loves. Close the window. We will go, will and go both. Not for, it is go. Next, listening and are. Again in the next worksheet, underline the verbs in the following riddles and solve the riddles. I have a face and 2 hands. I tell you the time. What am I? Underline first tell, and the answer of the riddle will be clock. I have teeth but I cannot bite. Okay, so verb will be bite and the answer will be comb. I swim in water. I quack when I talk to my friends. Who am I? I am bright, twinkle at night. So the action will be twinkle and the answer will be star. I have wheels. I run on rails. I carry passengers. So underline run and carry, and the answer will be train. So tomorrow the next class we are going to start a new chapter, that is prepositions, and that's all for today.